Glad to have you join us again. It's Business Breakfast on iBrandTV. Joining me now live via phone to do some analysis of some of the top business stories we're filing at this hour is Charles Fakuha, iBrandTV senior analyst. Mr. Charles, good morning. Many thanks for being a part of the show today.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure. Blessed.
I believe you've seen some of the top stories that we're filing at this time, and then again they all call for serious attention. I'm going to start up with the much anticipated, the much awaited MPC meeting. The meeting has come and it has gone, and the CBN has made their deliberation. Charles, how does this come to you? A 25% basis point increment to MPR. What's your reaction to this?
Well, thank you, Blessed. You know, we have talked that I was appealing to the management of CBN to leave the NPR on change.
Yeah.
And listening to the acting CBN governor and all the reasons, and looking at what is happening in the economy, yes, I think I will agree with him, for that moderate increase. It's like that if they just left it on change, because they are not doing anything. Inflation is almost 23%. The NPR is now 18.75%. And he also gave ratings, and even some statistics, that if not the increases they've been making, the headline and food inflation will have gone beyond what we have seen today. Well, as the CBN governor, I would agree with him, and I think they were very careful and moderate for that 0.25 basis point. So I think he understands his job, he knows what he wants to do, and I think yes, we'll just continue to support him, support the government, as long as they remain transparent and let everything be done openly. Yes, I was also happy that he also gave the government some advice that the monetary and fiscal policies need to collaborate. At the same time, we need to improve on our revenue, which is key. So I think it's okay for me. I agree with CBN, and I think this is the best we could do moving forward.
But my major concern here is inflation. This is not the first time, Charles, you will agree with me, that we're seeing an hike in the MPR just to cushion, or better still, to tame the stubborn monster called inflation. We've seen another hike again. Do you think this will have any significant impact in reducing inflation in the country?
Yes, we might not see the immediate impact. But I wanted to disagree with any CBN government, the former one, that being hawkish does not necessarily solve the problem. But I'm happy that this one, despite being a little bit hawkish, was also ready to advise the government, monetary and fiscal. So, and it gave statistics. So, the advice will be that this might not show a significant improvement in trying to tamper with inflation. Because inflation has to do with general increase in goods of price of goods and services. So if we increase our revenue and we are able to produce more, the supply side of food items, other basic amenities, insecurity is taken care of, and we see an increase in food supplies, then of course you might see a reduction in inflation rates.
So what will you say is your overview now to the impact of this hike on businesses? Because the truth now is it's likely going to be almost impossible for MSMEs to get funds at commercial banks with this latest development. Your reaction to this?
Yes, I agree that for you to support the economy with the GDP growth of 6% you are trying to achieve, you need to encourage SME and reduce rate. But at this time that we find ourselves, this is our reality. It is no longer, yes, it's our reality. And increasing it moderately by 0.25%, yes, you might not see the impact. Then I said, it is okay for now. And the only thing that I think the government can do is to keep creating that enabling environment for SMEs to thrive. Maybe by way of trying to provide infrastructure for these SMEs. So that if in terms of getting cost of funds high, maybe that can compensate in terms of available infrastructure that will make the business environment a little bit easy for people to continue to do business.
All right, still on the outcome of the MPC meeting, let's touch on some of the deliberations that were made concerning the declining value of the naira as against the US dollar. The central bank governor really did not give much insight into what the Apex Bank is doing to be to spur up growth in that sector. But then again, he made mention of the fact that the FS market will definitely stabilize. But now, with a situation whereby we say have the naira declining despite the unification of the naira of exchange rate, what do you think that the monetary policy should be doing to bring about some kind of respite in the FX market?
Yes, the investors or Nigerians need to understand that when you retire, it is not natural that both the parallel market rate and the official window will just be one at the same. It's like still going to be a demand and supply. I think there's going to be a flux of minor. That means it is market driven. The price is going to go up, the price is going to come down. So that fluctuation is as a result of the demand and the supply. For now, we don't have enough supply of FX, and the demand is so much. That is why the naira is sliding down. The only way and what can be done now is not just merely monetary policy. Fiscal, we need to increase our revenue earnings. This is key. If we increase our revenue earnings, our dollar earnings will increase, and there will be enough supply in this official window, then you will see an equilibrium, and the fluctuation will not be so much. That's when we will have the stability and the CBN governor is talking about. The key thing here is to increase our revenue. That is the only way that we can begin to have some bit of stability in the FX market.
All right, let's shift focus now because of time to other news. The much awaited ministerial list is set to be presented to the National Assembly today in the next 24 hours for screening. Charles, what is your expectations? And then again, there is agitation also in the camp of the APC saying that former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan does not have any right whatsoever, since he's not a party member, to should I use the word nominate for the president a ministerial appointee from that, a nominee, beg your pardon, from that particular state. How do you react to all of this?
Well, the list was rated so much, and of course, looking at the constitution, it has just less than 48 hours, and they are saying that yes, this is going to come out. The reason they are giving it, he wants to be sure that it's inclusiveness, everybody is included, all the interests are taken care of. Yes, the president has the right to do that. Now, coming to Biafra and saying the former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan has no right. When you appoint a minister, it is not an APC minister. The minister is going to be distinguished as the honorable minister for the Federal Republic of Nigeria, not honorable minister for APC. So, Goodluck Jonathan, being an elder state person, has, it is not, I won't say it is right or whatever, that he can nominate a ministerial appointee to the president. After all, while the president was campaigning, the president liked to see the other stakeholders, he saw elder state person and all that. So if President Jonathan former is nominated, I don't see anything wrong with it. And besides, the president has a right to choose minister across the board, whether APC, whether PDP, or even Labour. These ministers are coming to serve Nigeria and not to serve APC as a party or APC stakeholders. So I think the Biafra Elder Forum, they are not right. The former president has the right to nominate, and then it is also left for the current president to pick whoever he wants to serve as a minister in his cabinet. But at the same time, as I said earlier, ministers are not ministers for APC. They are honorable ministers of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.